During the current Greek financial crisis, many investors are taking a close look at the euro, as well as other currencies, as alternatives to stocks. Earlier this year, many considered the Swiss franc a safe haven. Now, attention has shifted to the euro in the eye of the Greek financial storm. Currency traders are watching closely where the euro winds up.
Right now, the euro's in trouble. I mean, flat out, it's in trouble.
Bob Christie, a currency trader from Georgia, says the world is shorting it.
I think if anything positive comes out of this, we could have a big short covering rally, which could force the euro up in value. I like that, just that notion, because it'll show some signs of stability.
In fact, currency funds are outperforming conventional investment funds. At one point, so many investors were buying Swiss francs, for example, that the Swiss government intervened. At a gathering of financial experts at the Money Show in Chicago, the Christie Group was bullish on currencies in Brazil and Southeast Asia. Christie follows a philosophy that sounds deceptively simple.
Currency trading occurs at the intersection of politics and economics. And so if you think that the economy in a particular country is going to do well, then just go ahead and buy the currency.
No doubt there are other factors to consider, such as debt, but another currency Christie is watching is Mexico's peso. With a comparatively inexpensive labor force and proximity to the huge U.S. auto market, automakers Volkswagen and Fiat are just two examples of increased foreign investment in Mexico.
Mexico's economy is growing at 4% a year, and so that's good. The more money that comes into that country, those people are assuming a higher standard of living. And so that means that there's going to be more residual purchases at places like a Walmart of Mexico. You know, people are going to have telephones. They're going to have other things that, you know, we take for granted that they're now seeing as something that they can afford for the first time.
And as Mexico goes, so goes the peso. However, many still believe that the best bets are the US dollar, British pound, Japanese yen, the euro, and the Australian dollar. Together, they account for upwards of 90% of all currency trading, partly because of the size of these economies, including Australia, a huge exporter to Asia.